In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a versatile communication platform used widely in both professional and educational settings. It allows for seamless video calls, chats, and file sharing. However, there might be times when you need to block someone for various reasons, like avoiding unnecessary disruptions or simply maintaining focus. Let's walk through this process together, so you can ensure a more personalized and disturbance-free experience on Teams. First, let's open Microsoft Teams on your device. You can do this either through the desktop application or via a web browser. Once you've got Microsoft Teams open, make sure you're logged in. You'll be directed to the main dashboard where you can see all your Teams and recent chats. Navigate to the Chat tab, which you can find on the left side of your screen. This is where all your conversations are stored, and it's from here that we can block unwanted contacts. Next, scroll through your chat list to find the person you wish to block. Once you've located their name, click on the chat to open the conversation window. You'll see the person's name and profile picture at the top of this chat window. Hover your cursor over their name or profile picture until a small three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options menu, appears beside their details. Click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, providing several options. Here, you should look for an option labeled Block or Block Contact. Depending on the version of Teams you're using, this may appear slightly different, but it typically serves the same function. Once you select Block, a prompt will likely appear to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial, as it prevents accidental blocking of contacts you actually want to keep in touch with. Simply click Yes or Confirm to proceed. Blocking someone on Microsoft Teams means that the person can no longer send you direct messages. They will also be unable to call you directly. However, it's important to note that if you both belong to a shared team or group chat, they will still be able to see messages and participate there. For complete privacy, consider muting or leaving any shared group chats as needed. If at any point you reconsider and wish to unblock the person, you can easily reverse the process. Just find the person in your blocked contacts list, often located in the Settings or Privacy section, and follow the prompts to unblock them. By understanding how to block someone on Microsoft Teams, you can better manage your communication and create a productive and stress-free work environment. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to manage your contacts on Teams, ensuring your digital workspace is just the way you like it.